The United States has the most confirmed coronavirus cases in the world.
美国成为世界上确诊率最高的冠状病毒病例国家。
Sarah Ruiz Grossman.
萨拉·鲁伊斯·格罗斯曼，2020年3月27日。
The United States hit a grim milestone on Thursday, becoming the country with the highest number of confirmed coronavirus cases worldwide.
美国在周四达到了一个严峻的里程碑，成为世界上确诊冠状病毒病例最多的国家。
The U.S. had more than 82,000 reported cases across all 50 states and U.S. territories, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. It has now surpassed China's and Italy's coronavirus case totals, previously the highest in the world. The next highest case numbers are in Spain, France, Germany and Iran.
根据约翰霍普金斯大学卫生组织汇编的数据，美国50个州和地区有超过82000例报告病例，现在已经超过了中国和意大利的冠状病毒病例总数，这在以前是世界上最高的。其次是西班牙、法国、德国和伊朗。
More than 1,000 people in the U.S. have died from COVID-19, the disease caused by the new coronavirus, so far. Several countries still have more deaths linked to COVID-19 than the U.S., including Italy, Spain, China, Iran and France, per the World Health Organization.
到目前为止，美国已经有超过1000人死于这种新冠状病毒引起的新型冠状病毒。据世界卫生组织统计，意大利、西班牙、中国、伊朗和法国等一些国家与新型冠状病毒有关的死亡人数仍高于美国。
Credit: Johns Hopkins University.
图片来源：约翰霍普金斯大学。
In New York, the epicenter of the virus in the U.S. at this point, there were more than 37,000 confirmed cases across the state as of Thursday, and more than 385 people had died. Governor Andrew Cuomo warned that the state's hospitals will likely become overwhelmed.
截至周四，纽约州确诊病例超过37000例，死亡人数超过385人。州长安德鲁·科莫民主党警告说，州立医院可能会不堪重负。
As broad swaths of the United States have ordered non-essential businesses to shutter and millions of residents to stay at home, nearly 3.3 million Americans applied for unemployment benefits last week alone, more than quadruple the previous record set in 1982.
由于美国大部分地区已经下令关闭不重要的企业，数百万居民留在家中。仅上周就有近330万美国人申请失业救济金，比1982年创下的最高纪录增加了2倍多。
The Senate passed a $2 trillion economic rescue legislation package on Wednesday, which includes expanded unemployment insurance benefits. The House is expected to pass it without making changes on Friday.
参议院星期三通过了一项2万亿美元的经济救助法案，其中包括扩大失业保险福利。众议院预计将在周五不做任何改变的情况下通过该法案。
President Donald Trump spent weeks repeatedly downplaying the virus, and earlier this week expressed his hope that the country would reopen in time for Easter, in less than 3 weeks. Meanwhile, cases and death tolls are mounting in the U.S., and experts are calling for continued measures that enforce widespread social distancing to stem the spread of the virus.
美国总统唐纳德·特朗普
Donald Trump
数周来一再淡化这种病毒的影响。本周早些时候，他表示希望美国能在复活节前及时重新开放不到3周。与此同时，美国的病例和死亡人数正在上升，专家们呼吁继续采取措施，加强广泛的社会疏远，以阻止病毒的传播。
After weeks of states demanding more capacity to test people for the virus, including actual complete test kits from the federal government, testing has only recently begun to ramp up nationwide, with the numbers of confirmed positive cases expected to mount accordingly.
数周来，美国各州一直要求提高人们检测病毒的能力，包括联邦政府提供的实际完整检测包。直到最近，检测工作才开始在全国范围内扩大，确诊的阳性病例数量预计也会相应增加。
Meanwhile, states have called out the lack of critical medical equipment, like ventilators, and hospitals and health workers have reported a shortage of personal protective equipment they need to stay healthy while treating patients with the virus.
与此同时，各州纷纷指出缺乏呼吸机等关键医疗设备。医院和卫生工作者也报告称，在治疗感染病毒的病人时，他们缺乏保持健康所需的个人防护设备。